Hi guys, Briana Robertson here, and today I want to talk about probably the biggest gift you can give your loved ones when if you truly love your loved ones, the biggest gift you can get them, and that is the gift of having an estate plan. Make sure you have something in place if something happens to you, whether you be incapacitated, you pass away, have something in place so that way if something happens to you, your family and your loved ones can grieve and not worry about your estate, not having to worry about going through the courts, not worrying about creditors and debtors and how all of this stuff is going to be handled. Where are all their paperwork? If you give them the gift of an estate plan, it allows your family to be able to help them transition with ease so that way they can grieve and they can heal and celebrate your life. So you do this by planning now, planning while you're in your right mind, planning while you are capable, and planning while you can tell them the things that you want to have happen and then have it on paper in writing with your signature on it. The things that you're going to want in your estate plan to make sure that things are seamless is you want to make sure you have a will or a trust. Um, Make sure you have a will or a trust. I'll do another video to discuss which one would be best for your estate, but you want to make sure you have one of those in place to let your family know how your assets are to be handled. Another thing that you want is if you're incapacitated, you want to have a power of attorney in place so that way your family can handle things like your bills and bank accounts and all of your needs on your behalf. You want to have guardianship paperwork in place so that way it'll be easier for the courts to determine who's going to be your guardian, who's going to take care of you when you're not able to take care of yourself. If you have a family, if you have children, minor children, and starting a family, please get an estate plan in place. If something happens to you, what is going to dictate what happens to your kids? Who's going to take care of your kids? This is why you want to make sure that you have your guardianship paperwork in place, not only for yourself but for your minor children, so that way your children will be taken care of. And this is where a trust does come in handy, because if you have your account in a trust, your trustee can automatically get the money and funds that they need to be able to take care of your children, so that way your children are always taken care of. Making sure that you have your health care power of attorney, who's going to make all the medical decisions for you when you're not able to make medical decisions for yourself. um, and I've seen, countless times where people are in the hospital and people are fighting over who's going to take care of mom and dad or grandma or whoever, who's going to make these medical decisions, and who's going to be able to see them. So this is why it's so important to have these things in place. Give this gift to your family so that way if something were to happen to you, there's already a full plan in place to on how things should work, and it'll be seamless. It'll help save them money, because then you're not going back and forth fighting in the courts a lot. You're not spending tons of money on attorneys and litigation fees. If you just have a plan in place, it makes everything a lot easier on your family, so your family can grieve and heal like they need to. So I strongly recommend give the best gift that you can give to your family with an estate plan. In my office, my name is Briana Robertson. I'm the managing and founding attorney of BC Robertson Law, and my team handles estate plans and walk families through the probate process every day. And we'll be happy to help you put together this great gift for your family, where you can have it all nice together and let your family be able to, if something happens to you, you can have the comfort of knowing that everything will be taken care of and your family will be able to heal and grieve and like they need to. So if you want to contact us, if you find this information helpful, please feel free to contact us at 214-432-5972, or you can click the link bcrobertsonlaw.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Until next time, peace.